Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Fabrica. Welcome to GLOBO magazine page channel where we make content for artists and creative entrepreneurs. In today's video guys, we're just gonna hop onto our laptop and gonna go to the Creative Fabrica and we'll see what are the shops that are doing pretty well onto the Creative Fabrica. Like they are making from I guess $200 to maybe like $600 each month from their Creative Fabrica shop. So we're just gonna hop on to the popular shops on the Creative Fabrica, what they are selling, what are their niche, what are the categories, their keywords, the title, description. We're just gonna go into the depth about these shops, and I'm gonna talk about that how you can also as a Creative Fabrica seller can make more money, from ranging from $100 to pretty $500 from your own Creative Fabrica shop each month. So let's hop onto my laptop and I'm going to show you that second. And also guys, if you want the free guide which contains the top 30 ways to make money online as an artist, as a creative and entrepreneur, you can download that free guide. The link in the free guide is in the description box below. You download it completely for free and can go through that free guide. Now let's hop onto my laptop, and before going into that, consider clicking on the like button guys. I really appreciate that. Now we're on Creative Fabrica and you can see they are having an Easter sale right now, which you can grab your digital subscription for the first month at just $1. So if you're interested in getting that digital subscription for the Creative Fabrica, then you can very well go and can get this. The link of the Creative Fabrica is in my description box below. You can click on that link and you can join the subscription for the first month only for $1. And this offer is applicable only for few hours guys. It's about to end soon. Okay guys, now let's talk about the main part that I'm gonna talk about is the shops which are doing pretty well, that are making $200 to $500 each month on the Creative Fabrica. So let me just go over to some of the shops and we can take the idea from it. So these are some of the most popular items that are selling well onto the Creative Fabrica. So let me just and check for the graphics, because these are the things that are quite popular. So we're just going to go to the graphics and we're just going to pick over to the illustrations or that are coming up. So I'm going to pick up a simple design. We're just going to see which cute cartoon doodle art cattle, and just go over to the shop and see how many products they have and what are the title, description, and how much they are making. So guys, you can see they are having 3,443 followers and 24,000 plus times the people have put their product into their favorites. So this shop is doing pretty amazing. I guess this shop would be doing from $200 to $500 each month from the Creative Fabrica, this single shop alone. And they have uploaded only just 232 designs onto the Creative Fabrica. Now it's not only, I would say they have uploaded 232 designs of the Creative Fabrica, from which they are having one as a bundle, 68 illustrations, 11 patterns, textures, backgrounds, and crafts. So this shop is doing pretty well, and they have joined since the May of 2020, because depending on the favorites, how much they are favorites, they are getting it. And they have 232 products. Now we're just going to see some of the products on their platform, on this shop, and we're just going to go what they are making. So I think that silly faces is a kind of like a clip art. We're just going to click over it and see how many favorites this particular product has. Okay, so this particular product has 37 favorites. Okay, that's pretty awesome. And the keywords they are using, so this is the keywords guys they are using in their product, is the faces, funny, silly, doodles, hand-drawn, comic, cartoon, eyes, mouth, and these are the all they are using. And these are the silly faces, cut files, clip art, graphics. So they have giving you the 20 vectors which are in the various different file format, the PNG, JPEG, DXF, SVG, and all. So you can see these are the designs they are selling in this particular product, and the 20 are there. Now it's quite pretty easy to make guys. There is no designing tool is required. Like even if you are a person who is using some simple software, you can create these simple emojis very well. Like it's the 20 patterns they are selling. Product is doing amazing. That is 37 favorites. So let me just see some other product on their shop. So you can doodle ornaments, cut files. So they have the mostly as the doodling. Now this one guys, the hand drawn random doodle, you can see it's so easy. Like The simple graphics are there, not much of the detailing is there, quite simple, a similar one like this. Another one, let's see over here, is the doodling, black and white doodle paper. So this is just the doodling, guys. I guess they are having 10 papers in this digital paper downloads. So they are having the Christmas, the designer, the very simple graphics. Now this one is a pumpkin, and this one is for the, I guess for the fall season, especially for the Halloween. Now this one is a birdie cutie cut files. Now these are having a very simple graphics, like not much detailing is there, and this shop is doing pretty amazing. So let's move on to the another shop and we can see what they are doing on the shop. We will going to see this one, guys, because you can see this is the hand drawn mystic and celestial bodies. So this one, I think that it's quite easy to make. So let me just go over to the shop and see how much shop this has the favorites. So they have 1069 followers. Wow. And 4,968 favorites. So this shop would be on their favorites, guys. I'm seeing according to the favorites, and they have only uploaded 44 designs. That's it. And one is font and 43 is the illustrations. And they are on the platform since January 2019. Okay, so they are quite established. So they have the kind of like a bundles. So let me just pick up one bundle and we're just gonna see how many files they have. So let me pick up this one. This one is a zodiac signs. Just scroll down. So they have put the 67 favorites they have added. And this is simple zodiac, guys. Like you can also make it. It's a quite simple zodiac. So they are giving only this one, and then these are the things that they are showing as a mock-up how you can use these signs. So that's quite simple. So I guess this one is having 12 signs are there. So you can see, guys, it's so simple and so easy to make. And you can also see their product tags, and you can use the same tags for your product as well. It's not a big deal, guys. You can create such type of graphics, quite simple graphics, not much detailing. This is a simple line art, and this shop is doing just amazing with only the 44 uploads on their shop. So you can see they haven't uploaded too much onto their shop unlike other shops. Only one font is there, and then the simple hand drawn graphics are there. Last shop of this video, guys. So let me see the last shop. The shop that I can see, this one, that is a keychain pattern. It's quite simple, so let me just go over that and see. 119 followers and 7,671 favorites. Okay, so this shop is also doing amazing. They have 298 products and they are on the Creative Fabrica since June 2020. So 217 illustrations, 34 graphic templates, 10 grabs and print templates. So I can see them, most of them, this is a baby elephant footprint. So that's a simple footprint keychain patterns. So these are simple, guys. You can see these are the kind of like fonts, which is the handwriting designing fonts, and then they are having the code cards for the kids. So this is a printable digital downloads they have. So this shop is also doing amazing, and let me just see one of their product, which I can see you guys can also make it. So let me just see this one, baby feet footprint. Okay, so this one is 6 favorites. Okay, and these are the keywords or the tags they are using in their shop, guys. So guys, that's all for today's videos. Leave a comment below and let me know, are you making such designs on the Creative Fabrica or not? Because you can see these shops are doing pretty well and not many products they have uploaded, and some of the graphics are quite simple and easy to make. You can also do it, guys. It's all the passive income that's coming. So I hope you really enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think about it. Hope you really enjoyed today's video. Leave a comment below. Let me know what you think about it. Do you want more such Creative Fabrica videos talking me more about it? I would really love to make more such videos. Thank you so much for tuning in today's video, guys. See you for the next time. Take care. Bye, guys.